In part 8, I finished modeling the eyes, so now I need to add the seams to those and the head. So first, let me go ahead and select the eyes without me doing the wrong mouse button. Okay, so first of all, actually no, because I need to hide this first. And of course this too. Okay, so now also hide this. So okay, so anyways, the seams would go right here around the center. I guess we turn this off now. Control E to mark that. Next one is going to be right here. And then mark seam. Edge crease not going to be, well, I mean, it could do something, but I'm not going to. Anyways, so got the new seam right there. Now the last one is going to be, let's see, where is it? Here, let me just turn this on. There. So 1, 2, 3. Actually, I can just do this. Yeah, so put it right here. Oh yeah, and one more seam put is this. Nope. Here we go. So mark seam right there. Oh yeah, so if you wonder what edge crease does, but that's not necessary. I only brought it because sometimes when I bring the menu, even though I had this left selected, it has it on this instead. And sometimes it can actually trip people up. Anyways, that one's done. Oh, actually, let me just do this. Okay, so now, same thing with the eyelids. Now, actually, you know what? I need to do this first. Here, let me just, like find this one right here, and then I just select this so I can join it together. And now, it's all one mesh. And now I will be back after I save. Actually, with the eyelids, I think the best way to deal with this is just one, let me hide this whole head. None of that joined together with the head. Yeah, that can give people nightmares. Anyways, so what I can do is this. I guess like just this one right here, and then also this one right here. And because of the mirror modifier, I don't have to do one side, so Control E to mark not crease, but seam. Okay, and now I'm going to do the head after I actually, well, invert the selection and then hide it. Okay, so the first seam, and this one, let's see, which one's best for this guy? Okay, so one would go around the nose because, that's not sure how it go. Also, I just realized that this is too small, so let me just fix that. And, oops. Yeah, I guess it's fine. Okay, next seam's going to be, well, actually, I need to do inside the mouth too. Actually, I did do this one right here, but I mean like, oh gosh, I don't know what happened here, but I need to fix it. Luckily, it's an easy fix. In fact, let me see if there's any other problems here I should know about. Nope, everything's zeroed out, so it's fine. Anyways, what I need to do now is this. So let me just hide this too. Well, not hide it. I'm actually going to put a seam right here. Like this. Actually, let me just not hide that. Let's do this instead. Hide this one, and then this. And of course, these are here. I'm also putting right here and stuff. Actually, I'm not going to do that because, well, I mean, you don't have to, but I think I'll just do it anyways just because it might actually be beneficial. So now no, I'm not going to do that. What happened? Okay, I was like, for a second I thought I couldn't undo, but I just went to a lot of things. Yeah, I'm not going to do the tongue, I just separate from the inside of the mouth. Okay, that's it for the inside actually. So now, let me just do this. So, next I'm going to do is this. So, around the head, but not that far. Just until I get to that. Mark that seam and... the heck? I don't know why it's flat. Let me just pull that out. Don't know how long it's been like that, but I'm glad I saw it before it was too late. Because now I'm going to do this. Actually... oh, no. So what I need to do is this. Yeah, I was off by 1. And then I mark these seams. And of course, what I had before. Actually, I can just do this. Select this alternation. So if I do a vertex, less clicks. And now, of course, mark these seams. And also, let me do around the ears. Not that far, but you know what I mean. Yeah, like that. And I think that's about all I need to mark with this. So now I'm going to tab out of edit mode. Turn this back on. And now I'm going to do this. Let me save first. So I'll leave that progress. And now I'm going to actually rename this because you're probably wondering why I'm not doing it. Because I didn't feel like it. But now I will name it though. So because I'm doing main wolf, I'm just going to do this. I'm going to copy this. Okay, so now, oh, actually, what I have to do is this. So when you create an object, you don't just have the object name, you also have the mesh name as well. So I'm going to do this as well, so just that. And of course, we have this. I'll just do that for now. I'm going to copy that. And then I'm going to paste it over here. Okay, so now I'm going to save it again. And now you're back. Okay, so before I get done the head entirely, I'm actually going to do this. So I'm going to start the neck. So let me select these vertices right here. And then extrude these like that. And for some reason, my screencast got turned off. So turn back on. Okay, I don't know what happened there, but anyways, I'm almost done with the head of this guy. And so I extrude a neck, so let me just do this. Let me just fix this first. And now I'm going to, well, I could just do smooth, like this. I'm not gonna do that. Oops. Okay, so yeah, that's about it. So actually, before I get done with parts, let me take his face and do this. Okay, so that's all for the head. And so when I do the next part, I'll be working on the rest of the body. So just in case you haven't seen part 1, here's what I'm trying to make. So that's it. In part 9, I did say we were working on the rest of the body, but I decided to do this instead. So right now, the mouth does not look very good. So I decided to do this. So now that's a lot better, and now I can actually start working on the rest of the body. So first, let me do this. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to first rename this guy like this. So it'll be oh, actually, let me do this first. So since I got this finalized, instead of going to this creep thing, we go to this belly thing, I can just delete the basis. And now he is completely done with the head, and so doesn't look bad anymore. I was gonna work on like redoing the teeth and gums, but I don't think I will this time because with the mouth like this, it doesn't look too bad. So now I'm gonna do this. So we're actually going to duplicate this, and I'm gonna rename this to, well, this. I'll explain why I'm doing this later though. And let me just hide this one. Actually, no. I'll put it to a different collection. There. And you know what? Actually, it's 2. So, remember in part 1 where I actually hid like this thing right here? Well, you can't see it. It's a hexagon prism. And so I also hid this rhombic dodecahedron without me selecting multiple things like that. Here. If I do this, now you can see it. So I didn't delete those because I'm actually going to use it later in this model. And also, let me just do this. Actually, no, I'm going to do this too. Yeah, do that one. Oop. Okay, do this one right here. And then this one. And now, let me save it. And then I'll continue later on. Okay, so the reason why I call them bi and the other one quad is because of this. So if I had to minimize this, you can see that this one is on 2 legs and this one's on 4 legs. So after part 10 is over, as in this one, this looks like this. So it'd be part 11, part 12, part 13, and so on, and then that'd be for bipedal as in this one. And then once I get done modeling this version, then it'll go back to part 11, and then 12, and then 13, and so on with quadruped. So that way, if you want to make your character like this, or you want this one, well, you don't have to watch through both just to get the one you want. You can just do one or the other. And so, I was starting to bipedal one first just because I'm better at these things. I've done more of them. So, this part's kind of short, and I would start working the body now, but I'm not going to start midway. So, I'll see you in part 11.